mean, meron daw parang libreng insect repellent or something. Kasi natural habitat daw talaga ng Palawan yung mga insekto. Ganun. So, tahimik ako magsalita kasi nakakaya naman kung lalakas ako baka may tao, di ba? So, punta ako sa banyo nagpa-vlog. Dude, I am so sleepy. We haven't had any sleep ever since we landed. Ever since, bago kami mag-depart. Kasi yun, di pa ako natutulog. And nakatulog ako dun sa sakyan kaso it's not enough. So, yeah. So the HX here and we're gonna go to a room to check in. Glad binigay ni ate yung room ng maaga. Open na siya so we could rest. Kasi for all PM pa talaga yung check-in natin.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you?
Here, sa kabila nito, is the other room. It's connected here but di pa linis. So, right now, let's unpack the things here. May chinelas. Laundry. Laundry service. Ay, may bayad siya. May 2 slippers. Look. May timbangan. May timbangan. Paano naging 52? 50 lang. 50 lang ako nung nakaraan.
Oo nga. Dati 70 something ako.
Hindi ko 150. Ay, 73. Look at the ref, but wala naman siyang laman, pero yeah. Then look at the induction cooker and then the microwave. Wow, is this for free? Then they have fans. Oh, what's this? Ayaw mabuksan. Ay. Oh, wow. Then here are the plates. And yung, it's 1:04 PM and natulog muna kami kasi grabe nakakapagod. Ayun, tulog ulit. Look guys, they have a safe. Let's go. Ito yung password. By the way, guys, look. If we're gonna check in Astoria, you would have a lot of amenities. For example, you would have the shower gel, shampoo, and conditioner. And look, their showers are two. If you have two towels, we do have two towels in the other room, so hindi namin ito gagamitin because kailangan ito. Tapos, tissue, then dental kit, two dental kit, kasi dalawang taong naka-assign dito. Kaya hindi na sila nagdala ng toothbrush, but I brought my toothbrush. Ano kaya ito? Hindi ko alam yun. Ito shower cap. Shower cap and then vanity kit. Ngayon ko lang na-realize na yung vanity kit pala comes with cotton buds and the ball of cotton. Yung shower cap, of course, gusto ko makita pero I think it would be the normal shower cap. Yeah, it is. Ito yung parang sinusuot ko sa movie. Lotion. I would like, kakagising ko lang. Yun. There's a tissue. Power bank in. And we're gonna go out. We're gonna eat kasi it is o'clock something. So, we're gonna eat and we're gonna go sa water park. We're glad na maaga kami pinacheck-in dito sa isang room para makapagpahinga kami. Invite niya ate. Kasi nakakapagod yung flight kasi wala pa kami tulog. So, wait na lalabas kami para kumain kasi ang expensive na food dito. So, look guys, tapos dito naman, pwede ito buksan. Bulaga. At may pinto dito, pwede lumabas dito. Umulan. Baba natin kasi we need to umulan. So guys, meron silang Netflix pero you need to connect your account. I thought may account na sila, so yeah, madali lang to. So what if we connected our account? Kapag bago kami umalis, log out ko ba to? Naku, connect ko na yung Netflix. Ay, may bagong movie. Tudum. This is our account. Hindi to account ng Astoria kasi wala silang account. Wow, malakas yung wifi. At yung pinapanood ko, The 100. This is my second time watching it. Season 6, episode 9 na. Hanggang season 7 lang yan. Maganda yan, promise. So this is the door dun sa kabilang room. But I wonder how I'm going to open this. Kasi walang susi. As usual, we have the same amenities there. Plates, spoon and fork, water. We can call for para ma-refill yung water. There's a mini ref. Oh, it's hot outside. Pag gantaan mo pa hindi nakalak po, diba? It should be locked. What's this? Oh, there's like that thing. So overall, we have 3 beds. We're gonna set up the dito. What do you call this? The safe. Because the other safe from the other room, it didn't work. And of course, we have 2 sleepers. I'm gonna use that. How are we going to open this? Where's the key? Okay, let's try it again. Banana. Lock, enter 4 digits. Okay, let's try. Nilock yung sarili niya. Ay, ganun. Paano kapag try mo nga ulit? Paano
Matik
kapag
siya nagdala.
pinindot ko? Ay, ganun. Pag pinindot ko, try mo. Ay, ayaw pa din. Nakamatic siya. Paano to? Okay. So, I'm gonna contact the lobby. Because there's no key to open the door connector. What's this? Oh, it's the lights. Okay. What's this? Palawan's reached by diversity makes it home to all kinds of life, including insects. To prevent insect bites, please apply this insect repellent on your body generously. Wow. Okay. Oh, you can write a message for Astoria. Of course, we have the remote. What's this? A mic? Is this a mic? Look. I know what's this. Oh my gosh. Flashlight. Oh, nice. Wow. Pero bakit parang ang labo? Ano i-call na labo? Front desk, customer service. Customer service.
Zero daw.
Baka ito customer service. Ano mo number niya? Ano po? Sa ano po kami? Sa Aqua, 157. Okay, thank you po. Kayo, ewan ko.
Kasi tag-isang ano kayo, yung isang higaan lang. Master's bedroom na yan. Kasi dito na lang yung short lang. Ito mo lang, ito rin yung bahay niya. Yung kwarto, hindi ba gusto niyo magkaroon ng kwarto?
Ayun, ina-open na. Thank you.
Punta na lang po kayo dun. Apat kasi namin kung ano.
Ang dalawa pala yung pinto. Now we got the portal open. Ba't ang init dito? So since we're gonna go out, I'm just gonna gargle some mouthwash. Oh, alright. Look at their trash can, dude. Look. Oh my gosh, is this a trash can? Ba't ganito? Ay, oo nga, trash can yata. Social naman. I think I'm gonna leave this here just in case. Wait a second. You know what? Ever since we came here to Astoria, all of us became a vlogger suddenly. Magkikinelas lang tayo. Ito lang dala ko. The power bank is so convenient. I can bring it wherever I want. Kasi hindi siya ganun kabigat. Of course, let's not forget about the cards. So I'm gonna bring the card. Ano slippers. Bulsa na lang. Sa bulsa. Pag nawala to, of course. How's your stay so far, sir?
That's good.
So we're gonna call it's a shuttle service. Pero pwede naman siya dito buksan sa... Hindi, ito yung amin.
Sa kabila.
Dito kasi kami sa kabila. O, diba kung... Hala, baka madumihan. Look, there's a Holy Bible when we open this. Actually, I don't read Bible. Shuttle lang. Ayun yung shuttle, sabi ko.
Yung shuttle nagdi-deliver.
Ay, nagdi-deliver ba yan?
Kaway ka pa dyan.
Paano to? Right now, we call the shuttle service because we're going to sa ATM machine to withdraw some money, and then after that, we're gonna eat, and then we are going to the water park. We got our bags and we're ready to go. Ano, naiwan ko yung card sa loob. Oily na naman ang mukha. May rock climbing. Free ba yan? Hindi nakapag-withdraw kasi run out. Ano po?
Pork adobo.
Pork adobo na lang ako. So right now, dito lang kami sa tapat ng water park. May kain. Kain muna kami. Ang ganda ng view, by the way.